Hi, I'm Fabien Riggall. I'm the founder of Secret Cinema. When I was a kid, I used to think that you could live inside a film, and that's where our story began. Secret Cinema creates living and breathing immersive worlds of the film, where we blur the lines between the audience and the performance. You don't know who the audience are and who the actors are. You get given a character, you become part of the story, and you can change the narrative at any time. No two shows are the same. You lose yourself in the magic of cinema. This is a really exciting time for Secret Cinema as we enter the next chapter. I would like to invite you as our secret community to become shareholders.
Hi, my name is Max Alexander. I'm the CEO of Secret Cinema. I joined Secret in 2017, 3.5 wonderful years ago. The scale and spectacle of our productions has grown enormously since Fabien first put on Paranoid Park in 2007 to an audience of 150 people under a railway arch. Fast forward to 2021, and notwithstanding a global lockdown, 300,000 people will see Stranger Things in Los Angeles, a show we developed with Netflix. After 50 shows, we remain true to Fabien's dream of putting the audience at the heart of the story, to become active participants in worlds they've only ever dreamt of. Our aim is to create worlds true to the movies, but full of surprises and stories that exist only within our productions, and by doing so, to give our audience the best night out of the year. From intimate underground events for a few hundred to epic productions of up to 5,000 people per night. The stories we seek to tell are sourced from film, TV, from music and games, but they are uniquely and physically brought to life by Secret Cinema and above all, by our audience. It's the loyalty, it's the enthusiasm and sometimes even the tolerance of our fans that allows us to push boundaries, gives us permission to take risks. But when we get it right, when it really works, we're rewarded with extraordinary advocacy and loyalty. Our fans come back to the next show. And that loyalty is matched with long-term relationships with the owners and creators of some of the world's best loved content, with movie studios, TV production houses, music labels, and games publishers. Our productions are based on stories like Star Wars, Stranger Things, James Bond. It's an extraordinary privilege to work with titles like these. We created something quite magical here. Creating these secret worlds is an enormous collaboration, the creative efforts of up to 400 people. Over our 50 shows, we've developed an extensive network of people that is incredibly hard to replicate and allows us to step forward with confidence into the future of live events. Now we enter the next stage of our plan. We come out of lockdown with a packed slate full of wonderful titles, some of which are going to surprise you, and we're going to roll these out over the course of the next 24 months. We'll open these shows in London and then transfer them to other cities, just as we did with Casino Royale to Shanghai and Stranger Things to Los Angeles. We'll extend our formats to include games, to include music, and we'll build on the success of Secret Sofa so that we can bring our digital productions to a global audience. Now more than ever, we're convinced of the need for live, present, and congregational storytelling. Looking forward to the second half of 2021, we have a pipeline that 12 months ago we couldn't have dreamt of. Let me tell you of just 3 things. Firstly, we're just about to announce our next London show. It's going to be amazing, and we intend to take it to North America in 2022. Then we will open our first global digital production based on a much-loved movie franchise. And finally, we are working with one of the world's preeminent video game publishers to bring to life their most popular title, another first for Secret Cinema. So that was us, Secret Cinema 2021. New titles, new formats, an international business. We invite you to join us as shareholders and really become part of the story.